And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the Radial Gradient in Adobe Lightroom. Got a new image, you can find that via the description link below. And let us open the Radial Gradient, short key R, or simply click on the icon on the right side. And we want to use it to lighten up this lantern in our image. And it's the same menu that we've had for the brush. Let me reset it all. Just go to a name near the scale, then right click, reset it all. Then left click on our lantern and we've got this Radial Gradient, more like an ellipse, and we can resize that by clicking and dragging on the 4 anchor points. Let me reset the feather to 50 and I go down with the temperature towards yellow. Give it a little bit of a magenta tint and I increase the exposure and the contrast, and I'll add some highlights. It already looks like it's lighted up. And compare it to the original. Now go to your gradient and right click and duplicate it. Now we've added a second one. I'll place it on top and then I'll resize it to make it bigger. Something like that, and I'll move it a bit to the right side. So this is more like the lighting reflected on the wall, and I'll go down with the values on the scaling. Maybe like this. When you press O, you can cycle through all of these overlay functions. And by clicking on the right side, you can delete them, get rid of them. And this is how you can use these Radial Gradients in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.